when Christy brings a cat into our hotel room.
Her name's Mocha.
Mocha! Hey friends! We just made it from Phuket to the Phi Phi Islands, and it is unbelievably gorgeous here. Like, look at this water. It's so blue. Look at this sky. Look at these trees. Look at this bucket hat. I love it here. We're just gonna have a nice beach day. We only have like a week left before we go home, and only a couple days before we head to Bangkok. And so we say goodbye to the sea and hello to the city, and then hello to Minnesota. Yeah, great. I'm leaving this to go to Minnesota. It's okay, I'm ready to go home. It's been great, but I'm definitely ready for some hugs from people that I love. But let's go to the beach. Let's play in the water. Let's have some fun. Let's go to the beach. Let's go get away. We're gonna put some rum in our coconuts and have a nice day. Yes. Paradise, baby!
Now we add rum. See, like a duffel bag like that. It's only got one pond.
Oh my god, he's coming for me! Are you gonna get him? He's gonna pinch you. Here we go again.
Yay!
It's so gorgeous! Okay. 3, 2, 1. Please don't hit the coral.
There's so many. Do you have food for them?
Cannonball. I'm too scared.
Cece, it's a somersault.
Okay, there's so many fish. Okay. So we came home today to find Mocha.
Mocha!
Meow. Meow.
Hi, baby.
Cute. We're hiking the viewpoint today. Oh, there's a big fluffy kitty. So it's something I didn't get to do last time I was here. I'm really excited to do it. Viewpoint, this way.
Oh, yeah, you gotta pay.
Let's go. And it costs 30 baht to do, which is like $1 for preservation and cleaning and good stuff like that. So many stairs. Pay 30 baht, and then you get to enter this magical place. So many kitties! Hello! Meow! Wow! We made it to viewpoint number 1. You can see this side and this side of the sea. It's amazing. There's like this beautiful like botanical garden here. A bunch of kitties. Oh, Love it. It's gorgeous. It's hot though. That's great. Viewpoint 1. Nice. I love Phi Phi. If you could only smell this tree and these flowers, you would be in heaven just as I am. Ah. It's so beautiful here. So apparently we followed signs for a third viewpoint. There's only 2 on the map, but we followed some signs and there's this like cute cafe, but it wants us to pay another 20 baht. Says it's not part of the ticket. And we're like, no thanks. She didn't say anything to us, so we took a couple of pictures. We took a couple of pictures and left. It's pretty much the same view, so yeah. If you come here and do that, don't waste your time. But we are sweaty and hot and need some coffee. So let's head back to town and enjoy the nature on the way.
Oh my god! You can see his little eyes, they're like blue.
So we're at this bar where foreigners fight each other in a boxing ring. Or Mai Tai. This will be interesting. We're so sad leaving the beach today. Only 3 more days left in Thailand, in Asia, and then we're back in the States. Wow. But Phi Phi Islands have been amazing. I love it here. It's so gorgeous, literally all the time. Very grateful and very blessed to be here. I am excited to go home though. I'm ready. It's been like a year and 3 months, so I'm ready. But I will love you forever, Asia, and I will be back so soon. I love it here.